In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 SUVs that come remarkably close to perfection. Number 7. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is often regarded as one of the most well-rounded SUVs on the market, and for good reason. Consumer Reports gives an impressive reliability score of 82 out of 100, ranking it as the top compact SUV out of 27 competitors. That's no small feat. But the Forester isn't just about reliability. It's a vehicle built on trust and practicality, making it a go-to choice for families and adventure enthusiasts alike. One of its standout features is Subaru's signature all-wheel drive system, which comes standard, ensuring you're ready to tackle any road condition, whether it's rain, snow, or rough terrain. On top of that, it offers excellent fuel efficiency, delivering 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway, meaning fewer trips to the pump and more savings in the long run. And with a starting price of around $30,000 for a new model, it's an investment that pays off with longevity and efficiency. Safety is another strong suit for the Forester. Thanks to Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, it comes equipped with features like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control, giving drivers extra confidence on the road. It's no surprise that it consistently earns top safety ratings, including the highly regarded IIHS Top Safety Pick Award. In short, the Subaru Forester blends reliability, efficiency, and top-tier safety into one impressive package, making a standout choice for anyone in search of practical yet capable SUV. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander stands out in the competitive SUV market, earning a stellar reputation for reliability and performance that has made it a top pick among American families. With Consumer Reports awarding it a perfect 5 out of 5 predicted reliability score, it's no surprise that this SUV is widely regarded as one of the most dependable options on the road. For drivers who prioritize peace of mind, the Highlander delivers in spades. But reliability isn't the only thing that's going for it. The Highlander also excels in performance. Many models receive high ratings, with an average score of around 4.8 out of 5 for both performance and value. Owners frequently praise its smooth handling, comfortable ride, and, in the case of the hybrid variant, exceptional fuel efficiency. The hybrid model can achieve an impressive 36 miles per gallon combined, making it a fantastic option for long road trips or daily commutes without stretching your fuel budget. As for pricing, the Highlander starts at around $35,000, a competitive figure considering the features and long-term dependability it offers. For families, it provides generous interior space and a suite of advanced safety features that enhance every drive. It also boasts a perfect 5 out of 5 rating for owner satisfaction, meaning that once you get behind the wheel, you're likely to love it just as much as thousands of other Highlander owners do. If you're searching for an SUV that delivers an ideal blend of reliability, performance, and value, all while offering comfort and top-tier safety, the Toyota Highlander is an outstanding choice. Number 5. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has made a name for itself in the SUV market, delivering an impressive blend of reliability, value, and practicality. According to J.D. Power, it earns a strong reliability score of 83 out of 100, an excellent rating for its class. Consumer Reports also gives it a perfect 5 out of 5 predicted reliability score, reinforcing its reputation as a dependable SUV that's built to last. With numbers like these, the Telluride is more than just a stylish option. It's a vehicle designed to keep you on the road and out of the repair shop. For families looking for a spacious and comfortable SUV without stretching their budget, the Telluride is a fantastic option. With a starting price of around $37,000, it offers incredible value, especially considering its long list of features. Kelley Blue Book has consistently recognized it with their Best Buy award, a testament to its outstanding performance and high owner satisfaction. In fact, 66% of owners give it a 5-star rating, proving that its appeal stretches across a wide range of drivers. Safety is another area where the Telluride excels. Packed with advanced driver assist features, it helps prevent accidents and reduce costly repairs over time. Plus, its strong resale value sets it apart from many competitors, making it not just a great SUV for today, but also a smart financial investment for the future. With all of these strengths, it's easy to see why the Kia Telluride has become a favorite among families and adventure seekers alike. It's more than just an SUV. It's a reliable companion, ready to take on any journey while delivering comfort, safety, and long-term value. Number 4. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade makes a strong impression in the competitive SUV market, offering a winning combination of reliability, performance, and value. J.D. Power gives it a solid reliability score of 81 out of 100, reinforcing its reputation as a vehicle that keeps you on the road rather than in the repair shop. Consumer Reports backs that up with 4 out of 5 reliability rating, signaling that this SUV is built to go the distance with minimal maintenance concerns. On the performance front, the Palisade doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, making every drive effortless, whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. Its engine delivers plenty of power for family road trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes without feeling sluggish. And when it comes to value, the Palisade offers a lot for the money. With a starting price of around $37,000, it provides an excellent balance of affordability and quality, especially considering its strong reliability and performance credentials. Safety is another area where this SUV shines. Packed with advanced driver assist features, the Palisade has earned praise from owners who appreciate the added peace of mind on the road. With a reputation for dependability and a suite of high-tech safety features, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a reliable travel companion ready for whatever life throws your way. So, whether you're hauling kids, gear, or just yourself, the Hyundai Palisade proves to be a smart investment that delivers on all fronts. Just don't forget where you parked it. Number 3, Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 is like that dependable friend who's always on time, brings snacks, and somehow turns every drive into an enjoyable experience. With a reliability score ranging between 80 and 85 out of 100 from J.D. Power, this SUV has solidified its reputation as a trustworthy ride. Consumer Reports has been consistently giving the CX-5 high marks for reliability since 2013, often rating around 4.5 out of 5. That's the automotive equivalent of earning a gold star every year, a true testament to its dependability. Under the hood, Mazda offers 2 engine choices, including a turbocharged option that delivers an energetic 256 horsepower. But it's not just about power. Efficiency is another strong suit. The base model achieves an impressive 31 miles per gallon on the highway, meaning fewer stops at the gas station and more money in your pocket. When it comes to maintenance costs, the CX-5 continues to impress. With an average annual maintenance bill of just $447, lower than many rivals in the compact SUV segment, it keeps expenses in check. Plus, with a severe repair probability of only 8%, you won't have to worry about frequent trips to mechanic. All in all, the Mazda CX-5 is a fantastic option for drivers who want a well-rounded SUV that blends performance, reliability, and affordability, while still delivering a fun and engaging driving experience. Number 2, Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 continues to be a standout in the compact SUV segment, offering a winning mix of reliability, efficiency, and practicality, all at a price that makes it a smart buy. With a starting price of around $29,000, this SUV delivers excellent value, especially considering its fuel economy, which reaches up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. That means fewer stops at the pump and more money in your pocket over time. Where the RAV4 truly shines is in its dependability. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it among the most reliable vehicles in its class, and owner testimonials back that up. And it's not just about longevity. Toyotas also hold their value exceptionally well, making the RAV4 a solid long-term investment. Safety is another area where this SUV excels. Standard features include automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, providing an extra layer of protection on the road. The RAV4 has also earned high marks in crash tests, giving families and daily commuters the peace of mind they need. On the practicality front, the RAV4 offers a spacious cargo area with up to 70 cubic feet of storage when the rear seats are folded down, plenty of room for road trips, outdoor adventures, or even bulk shopping runs. With all these strengths, it's easy to see why the RAV4 is often considered the gold standard in its category. If you're looking for an SUV that delivers reliability, safety, and value in a stylish and versatile package, the Toyota RAV4 might just be your perfect match on 4 wheels. Number 1, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has long been a standout in the SUV market, blending practicality, reliability, and long-term value into one well-rounded package. With a strong reliability score of 82 out of 100 from both J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, it's no surprise that this SUV remains a favorite among drivers looking for a dependable ride. One of the CR-V's biggest selling points is its affordability when it comes to maintenance. With an average annual maintenance cost of just $470, it offers peace of mind without breaking the bank. And thanks to Honda's reputation for durability, many CR-V owners report their vehicles running smoothly well past 200,000 miles with minimal issues, an impressive feat that speaks volumes about its longevity. Resale value is another strong suit. The The CR-V consistently holds around 60 to 70% of its original value after 5 years, making it a smart investment for those who want an SUV that retains its worth over time. Performance and efficiency are also key highlights. Some models achieve up to 30 miles per gallon, making the CR-V an economical choice for both city commuting and long road trips. And with its balanced ride and solid performance across various driving conditions, it remains a versatile and capable option for a wide range of drivers. With its outstanding reliability, affordability, and practicality, the Honda CR-V continues to exceed expectations. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient commuter, a reliable family hauler, or an SUV that holds its value, the CR-V delivers in every category.